guys, today we're making pasta with tomato sauce from fresh tomatoes that it's super easy to make and so delicious. Or should I say deliziosa? Well, let's get started. To make the best spaghetti with tomatoes, you only need 4 simple ingredients. Start by boiling a pot of water. I put about 2 liters of water. Then cut the tomatoes in half and remove the green hard part of it. Chop it up into small cubes, just like this. Remember that the quantities I'm giving you are for 2 people, so adjust the quantities if you need to. After preparing the tomatoes, I cut a clove of garlic in half and I slightly fry it up for a couple of minutes in an abundant tablespoon of good quality extra virgin olive oil. You could also just chop it up into small little pieces, but I rather do it this way because like this I let the oil really absorb the flavor of the garlic, but then I remove it at the end so that the garlic flavor is not too overpowering. And I find that like this, the tomato flavor is what really stands out. Just make sure you don't burn or brown the garlic because that doesn't taste good. Add the salt right away, so that helps the tomatoes release their water, and let them cook at medium heat for about 5 minutes and stir every once in a while. When the water starts to boil, I added about 1.5 teaspoons of salt, but this might change if you put less or more water than I did, so adjust that. And I dropped in the pasta. Boil it for 3 minutes less than what is specified on the box, so that then we can finish its cooking time into the pan with the sauce. After the 5 minutes, remove the garlic and with the back of a spoon, or even better with a potato masher, press them just like this. And look at all the sauce that is coming right out. Just be careful not to scratch your pan, especially if it's made out of Teflon. Mine isn't, but to avoid that, you could mash up the tomatoes in a separate bowl and then throw them back into the pan. It's so quick and easy. I cooked them for just another 10 minutes until I got the consistency I was looking for. Nice and creamy and not too watery. I added some nice fresh basil leaves and I put the heat on low until the pasta is ready. I put aside some pasta water and I drain the pasta when it's still al dente, meaning still quite firm and chewy. This is because, as I previously mentioned, now we're gonna cook the pasta in the pan with the tomato sauce so that it really absorbs its flavor. Put it at high heat and pour in some of the pasta water that it will act as a binding component between the spaghetti and the sauce. And it also will help the spaghetti complete cooking. I suggest giving it a taste first to see if it's cooked enough for you. And if it's not, just add more pasta water and give it another minute or so. I like to have the pasta still a little bit al dente. I serve it with another drizzle of olive oil, some fresh basil, and if you want, even some Parmesan cheese. And here it is. E buon appetito! So, what do you think of this spaghetti with tomato sauce? I cannot recommend them enough. Give them a shot and I'm sure you will not regret it. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for new weekly recipes. It really will make me happy if we can grow this community together. So stay tuned for more. Bye guys!